Hi guys, there are 9 names and I'm going to delete these 9 names from the complete list of 21 names. For this purpose we have to go on data tab and click on advanced button. The list range is automatically selected. You can select from the cursor also. Now we must select the criteria range. For this purpose click on this button and go on criteria range. The header is must be selected in both range, list range and criteria range. In both range the header must be included. Now click on this button and click on OK. The next step is remove all data which is visible here from clear button which is on home tab. Click on home tab and then clear all. Now we must go on data tab and click on filter button 2 times. Now select one column from these 4 columns and go on data tab. Now press this button and press on go to, and now go on special button and select blanks. The blanks are selected. Now go on data tab, go on home tab and click on delete and click on delete sheet rows. Now the list is filtered. If you like, press on like button, share this video and subscribe my channel. Goodbye.